Me tell them say them no know no bird. And no bird no know them. Anyway, word leaking out via Bird Nation is that the JFF is looking for a new head coach for the national senior reggae boys. The JFF will no longer hire Paul Hall on a permanent basis and are indeed desperately looking for a coach. Remember that Paul Hall's interim contract was up after the World Cup qualifiers ended, and then everything went silent. Well, the Maverick is here to break the silence with the news that the boys are down to participate in a multi-team tournament in August without a coach. And according to Bird Nation, the main reason why Paul Hall fell out of favor with the JFF is because he took sides with the players. You remember that Dalton Wint resignation saga? The claim is that Paul Hall was sympathetic with the call of the players, and the JFF vexed about that. Yes. And speaking of Dalton Wint, Bird Nation is telling the Maverick that Mr. Wint is negotiating a secret package, and I'll know no resignation, no come. I tell them, they don't know no bird. Yes, no bird, no know them.